If you've forgotten your x.com or Twitter password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to reset it on your PC step by step. This is a simple process, and all you need is access to the email address connected to your account. So if you've been locked out and need to get back into X, stay with me and I'll walk you through it. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser on your PC and go to x.com or twitter.com. Once the login page loads, you'll see the sign-in fields where you normally enter your username, email, and password. Since you don't remember your password, don't try guessing it over and over. Instead, look just below the login area for the option that says Forgot Password and click it. This is the official password recovery option, and it's the safest way to get access back to your account. After you click Forgot Password, X will ask you to enter the email address, phone number, or username linked to your account. Type in the email connected to your X account and then continue. The platform will then verify your identity and send a password reset code to your email inbox. So now open your email account and look for a message from X. It may arrive within a few seconds, but sometimes it can take a little longer. So check your inbox, spam folder, and promotions tab just in case. Once you find the email, open it and copy the reset code. Go back to the X password recovery page, paste the code into the verification field, and confirm it. After the code is accepted, X will allow you to create a brand new password. Make sure your new password is strong, secure, and one you haven't used before. A good password should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Once you enter the new password, save it and sign in again with your updated login details. If everything was entered correctly, you should now be back inside your X account and ready to use it normally. If you ever forget the password again, you can repeat these same steps on the login page. Also, if you're using a shared computer, it's a good idea to save your new password in a secure password manager so you don't get locked out in the future. And that's it. That's how to fix it if you forgot your x.com or Twitter password on PC. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.